Hey guys, Spencer with FASS Fabrication. We're here today just to talk about some more of the behind the scenes stuff. We talked a lot about the sheet metal fabrication side, but there's a whole other side of the company that we haven't talked about, and that's the machining side. Kind of go around and talk about the different machines and the parts that we're machining for one of our customers that you might know. All right, we're here at our one of our machines. We actually have two of them. They're two Mazak Swiss lathes, also with a 12-foot bar feeder. These are for very high production parts, a lot of volume, high precision. It's 8-axis, designed to run unmanned, thousands of parts just over and over. One of the parts that we're currently machining on this is actually for the FASS fuel system. This is a fitting that screws into the injection pump. Yeah, we set it up for this and it just runs thousands of parts. So now we're over here at our horizontal mills. We have two Mazak horizontal mills we'll take a look at, and then we also have a pallet tech. The pallet tech is basically 24 pallets that it can rotate into the machine, set up with different parts. Again, very high production machine, allows us to crank out a lot of parts in a short period of time. One of these that you probably have seen before is the sump. This is the new sump design. As you can see, it's a very good finish. With the growing popularity of these parts, this machine has really let us step up the production of this, also maintaining a very high quality part. So this is actually a new part that we just brought into house. We used to outsource this. This is the T-block that goes on the titanium series, holds the motor and the gear. Again, this is a very high volume part that we're able to bring in-house and maintain a very good quality, very tight tolerances. Another cool thing with the pallet tech is we have one loading station for the operator to stand at. All the raw material, finished goods are all done in this one spot. Keeps things contained. All the pallets get rotated into this loading station. Then it goes and stores it. We'll take a look at the backside of the pallet tech, but everything's done here, very manageable. We're a small family-owned business, but with machines like this, and the technology, we're able to keep up with such a high demand product. All right, so once the raw material is loaded onto the pallet, the machine will rotate the pallet into one of the mills. Right now, this is doing a universal base for our Class 8 fuel system. The pallet holds 8 parts. It can do a lot of machining before it ever has to be touched. Again, very high volume. You can really hog out some material with these machines. All right, so now we're behind the pallet tech and we're taking a look at all the different pallets. This machine holds 24 pallets, 8 parts a piece. I'm not super good with math on the fly, but that's a lot of parts. Allows us to machine a lot before somebody has to actually touch the parts. Each one of these pallets can be set up for any part that we can fit on it. Right now we're running T-blocks. We can run anything from filter bases to sumps, the motor blocks that holds the gears. Just a lot of different parts. These machines will facilitate it. For being a pretty small family-owned company, FASS Fabrication is able to run a small crew of guys by utilizing technology just like this. So you guys know FASS Fabrication is a lot of cool fabricated parts, radius arms, coilover conversions, traction bars. We're gearing up for more parts every month, it seems like. But yeah, we do a lot of high volume parts. Thanks for watching.